What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be reviewing Aukey's 104 key keyboard for only $40. And for $40 you're getting an LED backlit keyboard with multiple colors, a full-size keyboard, and blue mechanical switches. This is a very competitive price. A lot of other keyboards with similar specs cost at least $20 more, so I think you guys are going to be pretty surprised what a $40 keyboard could do. Alright, so let's unbox it. It comes in like a standard cardboard box. It has basically a print of what the keyboard looks like. On the back, we have a whole lot of nothing. On the side, a whole lot of nothing, and I think you guys get the deal. It's a cardboard box. Alright, so on the inside you have the keyboard. What do you know? So I'm going to take it out and we're going to see what else comes with it. So here's the keyboard, comes with some foam because why not? And of course you get the Aukey card with any Aukey products that you get. You get this, it's a 24-month warranty, which is basically a 2-year free warranty. For $40 you're getting this keyboard that will be insured for 2 years. That's a pretty good deal. Then of course it comes with a user manual. I think we know how to use a keyboard by now, so I don't think we'll need this, but we'll hang on to the 24-month warranty. So the first thing I noticed when holding this keyboard is that it's actually really heavy. They say that it's made out of a metal design, and I don't doubt that whatsoever. It feels very sturdy and actually kind of heavy for a $40 keyboard. So it definitely has a mechanical keyboard type of feeling to it. I mean, it's a blue switch, and it feels like one, and it feels nice and sounds even better. Alright, so before we go any further, let's plug it in so we can see them LEDs. And there we have some of the LEDs coming on. This keyboard isn't full RGB. Basically what they do is they have a row of blue, a row of green, red, pink, purple, all of that stuff. This is basically how they're able to make a backlit keyboard for this price range. If you want full RGB, you gotta spend the big bucks, but for $40, this is what you're gonna get, and I don't think you guys are gonna be too worried about it. So this keyboard is set up very similar to the Red Dragon keyboards. All the buttons that you need to know to change how the lights are being shown is basically the same as a standard Red Dragon keyboard. You press the function key, and all of these 6 keys up here are different settings. You have different lighting modes, and I'm going to go over these towards the end of this video. I'll have all of them. And of course they have a gamer mode where it has these 3 buttons lit up, and then the escape, of course, so you're able to rage quit. So one of the few things that this cable does not offer is the full threaded cable. This one is just a standard rubber cable. But then again, if you're buying a budget keyboard, don't expect to get all of the best features. On the back here, we have 2 risers. It's just the standard riser. They do have rubber feet, so it will grip whatever you put it on still. And there's rubber feet here as well. So the bottom of this keyboard is plastic, but the top of this keyboard does have a metal finish, but the sides or the bezels, whatever you want to call it, are plastic. When it comes to the keycaps, it kind of just feels like a standard keyboard, to be honest. There's nothing too special. They aren't like that smooth touch, just plastic. With the rubber feet up, it is at a very comfortable angle. I think this keyboard feels very nice. It's very similar to my keyboard that I use daily right now, actually. It just doesn't have the palm rest. But the palm rest usually makes a keyboard kind of look old, so having this simple design makes your setup look that much nicer if you don't care about your palms. Alright, so that's enough talking about this keyboard. Let's take a look at those RGB lighting effects, and then right after that I'm going to have a little thing of how it sounds.
So desperate on my knees to break. And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to lay it down. And I feel the spirit guiding, telling me not to give up. I want to every promise I've been praying for.
So anyways, that is my review of Aukey's LED backlit keyboard. that is fully mechanical. If you'd like to pick up one of these, make sure you use my affiliate link down below. It really helps the channel out, and I'll see you guys on the next review.
Reality, it is touching the truth.